This 360 party machine is bananas. Spin like a celebrity, shoot like a pro. Ever thrown a party where everyone looked bored stiff in photos, or worse, the camera just didn't capture the magic? Let's face it, standard selfies are dead, and shaky phone videos just don't cut it anymore. You're left feeling stuck, wasting hours trying to film decent content while the vibe slips away. You're juggling tripods, busted ring lights, and trying to corral guests for awkward group shots? Stop. There's a better way to capture the madness, memories, and pure chaos in full HD. It's time to ditch the clunky gear graveyard and level up your photo game, hard. Here's the real kicker. Every missed photo op is a memory lost. Every failed group pic? Another moment your guests won't remember, or worse, remember badly. You've got one shot to turn your event into a jaw-dropping experience, but if your setup's a hot mess, you're toast. It's the same stress every time, scrambling for angles, fumbling with tech, praying the lighting doesn't turn everyone ghost white. Meanwhile, content creators are burning out trying to stay relevant with blurry, low-effort clips. Social media rewards the bold, and your booth better bring the wow fast or be forgotten. Enter MWE's 360 photo booth machine, your party's ultimate flex. This isn't just a camera setup. It's a full-blown, LED-drenched, app-controlled, TikTok-ready content vortex. With a 39.4-inch spinning platform, remote or app controls, RGB lights, adjustable selfie stick, and pro-grade software, like ChackTok, this beast records epic 360-degree vids, GIFs, slow-mos and boomerangs. Whether it's a prom, wedding, quinceañera, or a wild product launch, MWE transforms it all into red carpet magic. And yes, it's smooth, stable, and silent. No tech headaches. Just press play and let the booth do its 360-degree magic. You'll love how the MWE booth simplifies your life. No more herding guests like cats. No more missed moments. Just flawless content, shot from every angle. It's portable, powerful, and totally insta-famous. Perfect for influencers, brands, or anyone wanting content that pops. And with 5-hour battery life and durable flight case wheels, it's road-ready for any gig. Oh, and did we mention it's got a built-in timer, auto-rotate, and multicolor LED strip lighting? Drop the tech anxiety. This machine's built for legends. Tap the link below and get the full breakdown before your next event bombs. Thousands have already leveled up their events with MWE, don't get left spinning in circles. This booth isn't just going viral, it creates viral. But fair warning, demand is hot and inventory is limited. Each size flies off shelves, especially the 39.4-inch for 4 to 6 guests. Backed by a 2-year warranty and 100K plus users of the ChackTok app, Apple and Google Store top-ranked, this isn't a gamble, it's your secret weapon. Your content deserves more. So do your guests. Smash that add to cart or hit the link before your competition does. Be the party. Spin the spotlight. Own the moment.